Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Samsung Galaxy M53 smartphone, and let me show what are the top 3 home screen widgets that you can possibly add on this device. So first of all, in order for you to access the widget menu, choose any vacant spot on any of the home screens that you have active. Next, either make the shrink and swipe or tap and hold. After that, at the bottom part of your display, go for widgets, and here we have all the available widgets that are divided into very convenient categories. So the first widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the Google search bar. So we'll look for the Google category in here, tap and hold at the search bar widget and choose the place where we want to drop it at. In my case, I'll leave it right here. By the way, if you want to delete the widget once it is added, just tap and hold on it and tap on this remove trash bin icon. The second widget that we would highly recommend that you add is the clock widget. So open up the widget menu, look for the clock category and choose what design you'd like the most. I'll go with this analog clock design because I like it better, and I will put it right here. This clock not only shows the time but also provides you with the current date. And the third widget that I would highly recommend that you add is obviously a very handy and useful weather widget. So here at the widget menu, look for the weather category and choose what design you would like to go with. In my case, I'll choose the simplest one, place it right here, and in order for me to get weather information, I'll allow the weather application to get my location access. And as we will see right now, it has successfully determined my location of Krakow, and it is displaying what is the current weather over here. So that was it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.